Alright, this is it. All the memories.
So how did it get to this point? Ever since 2017, the launch of Amex Cobalt Card shook the Canadian credit card market. See, the Canadian credit cards were always considered inferior to the US credit cards, and many still consider the US credit cards better than the Canadian credit cards, which I tend to agree. But the launch of Amex Cobalt Card was so revolutionary that it gives Canada a credit card that can compete with the US credit cards and actually beat them. See, the idea of the credit card, however, isn't that revolutionary. It's targeted towards young people that like to eat out a lot. See, a lot of credit cards try to do this, but American Express takes this to another level by offering amazing rewards for groceries and restaurants category. And unlike other point rewards like BMO, sorry, no hate to BMO, but American Express, their points actually hold a lot of value. Let me explain. You have cards like BMO Eclipse Rise Visa card that tries to target young people. They offer 5 times rewards for $2 spent on groceries and dining. See, 5 times rewards is a huge multiplier. Sounds amazing, right? However, each BMO point is worth at most 0.67 cents. So that 5x rewards for every $2 is like 1.675% in rewards, and that's pretty terrible. But it's a free card, I get it. What about its upgraded version, its big brother, the BMO Eclipse Visa Infinite? Instead of 5 times rewards for every $2, it's now every $1, all for an annual fee of $120, which is a little bit more similar to the Amex Cobalt Card. 5x BMO points for every dollar for groceries and dining, that's like 3.35%. The rewards are average at best for this tier of cards. I mean, the BMO Eclipse Visa Infinite costs $120 a year. Amex Cobalt Card costs a little bit more, not much. However, you get 5 times Amex points for every $1 purchase for groceries and restaurants. The difference? Amex points can be worth up to 2 cents per point, whereas BMO points is worth only up to 0.67 cents. So a full 3 times more in value. That's 10% return on purchases for groceries and restaurants, which means by using the Amex Cobalt Card, you're getting up to 2% return on general purchases, cause it's 1 point per dollar spent on general purchases, and up to 10% return on groceries and dining purchases. Yes, it's an Amex. Not all stores take Amex, but it's still leagues above other credit cards in Canada, and it wasn't even close. So how exactly do you get 2 cents per point for Amex? See, what's cool about Amex points is that you can actually exchange Amex points for Aeroplan points at a 1-to-1 ratio, and each Aeroplan point is worth about 2 cents depending on how you redeem them for flights. Sometimes if you take business or first class flights, each point can be worth up to like 6 cents. I mean, I've never redeemed it at that value before, so I've only read about it. In fact, a viewer of mine actually asked me to show you guys how to convert Amex points into Aeroplan points, so let me show you guys that right now before I go ahead and close my account. So first things first, you log into your Amex account and then you go to view and redeem points. You click into that, and next you go into use points and you go to transfer points. Go all the way down, actually not all the way down, just a little bit down. You'll see Aeroplan, and this is where you want to go. You go to transfer my points. So you'll see that the minimum transfer amount is 1,000 points. So obviously I already have my partner account number inserted because I've done this multiple times. You can add another account, but for me, I only have one Aeroplan account. And then for me, I think I have 11,300 points. So I'm gonna type that 11,324 points. And then if I click transfer, it should get into my Aeroplan account within 30 minutes. So let's go ahead and do that. So apparently your points must be in the increments of 100 points. I forgot about that. So in my case, I have to round down, unfortunately, because I can't do 11,400 because I don't have that. So it has to be 11,300. Alright, now if you go through, if I type in my 4-digit CID number as well as the 3-digit at the back of my Aeroplan, Amex card, it should go through. Alright, I typed in my CID number as well as my 3-digit number at the back, and we just click confirm, and okay, so now it's asking if I want to confirm this transaction. So Let's go ahead and confirm it. Alright, now that's confirmed, let me check my Aeroplan account in half an hour to see if that went through. Alright, it's 5 minutes later and it definitely went through. It didn't even take half an hour. So here it is in my Aeroplan account. It's so easy and it's so efficient too. Now obviously there's other ways to redeem your Amex points as well, which I really don't recommend. You can exchange Amex points for statement credits at 1 cent each. But why would you do that? You're losing value on the points. And it's so easy to break even on the Cobalt card. Now remember, the monthly fee is $12.99 a month. Now if we assume 10% return on groceries, that's only like $130 a month on groceries just to break even. And guys, you're gonna hit that easily too. And plus, remember, you can get gas gift cards at grocery stores, or Netflix, or Disney Plus. And that's why the Cobalt card is so good, because it's so easy to break even and get enormous value. And since its introduction in 2017, it's been the best credit card in Canada until the introduction of the Rogers Mastercard. And also coming in April, the Rogers Red World Elite Mastercard. Okay, I get it. I heard complaints that Rogers, they don't provide the best service. And a lot of people don't want to give them business because of that. And I get it, because I had a bad experience with Neo Financial and now I refuse to work with them, so I get it. But you can't deny that the Rogers Mastercard and the World Elite version that's coming in April is gonna be a game changer. Those cards are so good, in fact, that it's looking to dethrone the Amex Cobalt Card as the best credit cards in Canada. Damn, really? That's a tough task. I mean, for the past 6.5 years, the Amex Cobalt Card reigned supreme as the best undisputed credit card in Canada. What card can even come close or even surpass this legendary status? Here's all you need to know. 3% cashback for all your purchases. Now, if you're curious about the details, check out my videos on the Rogers Mastercard as well as the World Elite version that's coming in April. But 3% cashback for all your purchases, that's unheard of. No credit cards in Canada in the past and very few in the US does this. None in Canada until the introduction of Rogers Mastercard. Are they gonna nerf it sometime in the future? Very likely. But for the time being, that 3% cashback is miles ahead of what other credit cards in Canada offers. Yeah, you have to be a Rogers, Shaw, or Fido customer to get that 3%. Now, wait a minute. 3% cashback for all purchases. Yeah, that's amazing, but do I really need to cancel my Amex Cobalt card? Cause remember, the Cobalt card offers up to 10% return on dining and groceries. Now, the problem with Amex is that they don't work with a lot of merchants, which is unfortunately a big downside for me. For example, Costco, where I spend hundreds of dollars each month on groceries, and Loblaw supermarkets as well as TNT. Well, I'm Asian.
Nah, I never knew that.
I tend to buy a lot of Asian groceries. And unfortunately, the biggest Asian supermarket in Canada, TNT, they don't take Amex. So for me, that automatically nerfs a lot of the benefits for the Amex Cobalt card. Now, if you watch my previous video on the gift card hack, again, credit card companies don't want you to know this. I can use Amex Cobalt card to get gas gift cards, like Safeway, and get like 10% return on gas. Well, now that I'm working from home, I'm not gonna be driving as much. So again, another benefit of the Cobalt card I won't be using as much. And with the monthly fee at $13, all these negatives start to add up and it's just not worth it for me anymore. As for restaurants, I still get 4% cash back with Simply Visa Cash. For groceries, Rogers Mastercard for Costco, PC World Elite for Loblaws, and Scotia Visa Infinite Cashback for other grocery stores. So yeah, it's goodbye for the Amex Cobalt card. I mean, not gonna lie, but this was my main card for the past 5 years. I think I accumulated maybe 500,000 points on this card in total, and I'm not a heavy spender. I'm actually pretty frugal. I just utilized the high multiplier for grocery stores. I've flown to LA, Asia, Toronto to watch a K-pop concert, Blackpink concert. The memories. And it's all because of this card. Let's just rip off the band-aid and cut this card up.
Alright, this is it. All the memories. Alright, let's just do it. Oh, God. That hurts. Alright, that's it. All the pieces of my credit card. 5 years, just like that.
So here we go. card up. Now, some people might be saying, bro, you can get gift cards for everything. Like a Best Buy gift card to get that new iPhone for 10% rewards. Over $1,000 for purchasing a new iPhone, 10% rewards for getting that iPhone. That basically pays for the annual fee. Did I make a rash decision? Oh shit, maybe I did. Well, too late now. But here's the thing. The problem with gift cards is that you don't get additional warranty or purchase protection when you buy electronics or anything. And that's not even the most inconvenient part. Let's say I don't like the new iPhone and want to return it. Well, now I'm stuck with a Best Buy gift card worth thousands of dollars where I'm forced to use it later. And if there's nothing else I want to buy at Best Buy for the next couple months, that money is just stuck there. Whereas if I use the Rogers Mastercard or the World Elite version, that money goes straight back into my account. It's way more flexible. Yes, 10% return on purchases is a lot, but doing all your financial transactions through gift cards, that's not the most convenient. Alright, that's it for today. If you enjoyed the video today and want to honor the memory of the dead Cobalt card, feel free to leave a like down below or subscribe if you find this video helpful. And also comment down below on what you think about the Cobalt card. And for any future video suggestions. Again, I make financial tips for Canadians in my long form content and financial comedy in my shorts. Thank you all, and I'll see you next time.